I'm Savage Excel Dude, and I have this weird grinding sound on my Savage Flux. It's between the spur gear and the pinion. So I'll just let you guys listen, and maybe you guys know what it is. Right, so here's my flux. Just pop the body off. Alright, the grinding's coming from right in there. And I know it's not the tranny because I've already taken that apart, and it only happens once I put the motor on and against the spur. But it is, it should be meshed properly because it goes smoothly. It just makes that grinding noise. Right. Now, someone on the forum said, all electrics do that, so I want to know why this one doesn't. Right, so I hope you guys can help me out. I'll appreciate that.